All right, guys, welcome to the shack. Tonight it's going to be a little off topic. I've got a new camera set up that I'll be using. Some of you may have saw it if you watched the Facebook page. I did a little pop-up live tonight, just kind of showing how they work and kind of just an introduction to them. But you guys know that I like to try to progress the channel and show you different perspectives and different views into the shack and some of the projects that I do and so forth. And the product that I'm going to show you tonight, I'm hoping it is going to take it to a new level as far as kind of immersive, I guess you could say, video. And also, it's something that I'm not seeing a whole lot of in the shop, work setup type laser CNC world. And so I'm going to try to figure out how to work it in and make it be a bonus to the experience. But stick around and I'll show you my latest gadget here at the shack. All right, so I've been doing a lot of research, and for years doing what I do, I've used different types of cameras. I currently have a drone. I have my cameras that I use here in the shop. I've got several that are connected to the computer that I use for such as this, where I don't have to get the full kit out and set everything up. And I decided that I wanted to add more of a point of view experience to the channel for some of the stuff that I do here in the shop and some of the stuff that I do outside. And I got to doing my research and I came up with these. All right, so these are the Ray-Ban Metas, and guys, this is my very first pair of Ray-Bans ever. I've always been an Oakley or safety glasses type wearer. Never bought or wore any Ray-Bans, but Ray-Ban has come out with these new glasses that they partnered with Meta on, and of course, most of you know that Meta, aka Facebook, is big into video, live video, photography, stuff like that. And guys, there's a lot of like reviews and technical specifications and stuff of these things out there. That's not what this is. I just want to let you guys know what I'm going to be doing in the future. And if you have the opportunity to go over and watch some of the video, or if you want to go over and watch some of the videos and some of the clips and see what we come up with, then you're going to have to follow me on Facebook or Instagram. Probably mostly on Facebook. My Instagram page is very, very, very small. I do share stuff there because it's kind of partnered with Facebook, but it's not that big. But here it is, guys. And when you put them on your face, of course, they let you know that they're connected. And this is going to give me a new view. As you can see, there's two little dots. I don't know if you can see it, but on one side there's a camera and on one side there's a light. This is the light over here, and the camera's over here on this side. They also have like this cool little touchpad over here, which I'm still learning all the taps and swipes and all that. But the plan is I'll use these glasses to do some B-roll with, and maybe some stuff during like assemblies or when I'm doing tedious stuff that is hard to capture with a camera over my shoulder or even like down on the table. It doesn't give you that same view. And I know a lot of you guys, probably don't care for this, but I'm going to try to mix it in and just kind of pepper it in there a little bit here and there. I'll also be doing a few lives, taking some pictures. We've got some events coming up this summer I plan to use them at. It's going to be pretty cool. The glasses do have the capability of locally saving 60-second clips of video. So if I'm doing something outside and I'm making a video, such as like with the honeybees or just working in the yard, messing with the chickens. I do plan on building a chicken pen this summer to replace my overdue aged chicken pen. Stuff like that. I'll be able to grab a few shots and just kind of share it with you guys. Also, I can go live with the glasses, and it's pretty neat. For some of you that are kind of nerds, geeks, whatever you want to call it, like me, that want to know some of the things about them, I will tell you this. The audio is awesome as far as using them as a hands-free Bluetooth device. They work pretty well on that. It's weird how well the sound travels to your ears, even though the speakers are built into the arms of the glasses. And that's one reason that I got them too, is because I like hands-free stuff. I've got my phone, and I can answer it on my watch. of course, but everybody that's got Apple Watch knows that you have like zero privacy with the Apple Watch. So if I'm in here in the shop working, the phone rings, or if I'm at work working and the phone rings, I have to either pick up the phone, stick it to my ear, or answer it on my watch and let everybody hear what I'm talking about. But with these guys, I get the audio through there and I can actually see who's calling, answer the phone, and talk here without sharing the conversation with the room. So I like that feature about the glasses. They do offer the AI assistant, similar to some of the other machines, with the code named. And I'm not going to say them, but But anyway, I won't be using that feature because one of the things the most two features that I want is the video capability and the hands-free for the Bluetooth headphone type thing. So I've got that disabled on these, but you can actually use that. Some of the reviews on some of the technical channels that I watch have said that using that does drastically affect battery life. So I'm not going to be using that as much. And there are probably going to be times where I'm going to be out not wanting to charge them a whole lot that I may actually power them down and, hope that I don't get a call. If I do, I can power them back up. But for the first few weeks, I plan on wearing them daily, all day, to kind of see what the battery life is. But it ranges from 3 to 6 hours depending on which review you watch and what features they have enabled and how much they use them. So I'll give you my, findings as soon as I can come up with some data on it. But I will tell you this nifty little case also doubles as a charger. It's got this cool little LED that lets you know the status of the battery in the charger. And there's a battery built in there with a little connector that connects to the bridge of the glasses that charges them while they're in the case. Every review that I've watched says that around 20 minutes they'll charge back. So you can check the power in the app on the phone. There is a separate app, the Meta View app that you got to have to use these and pair them with it. But it does work on Apple. I've used it on my iPhone. I did the little live tonight with it. Works pretty well. All right, guys, so one of the only hang-ups with these glasses is going to be the fact that they're made for Facebook and Instagram. So the video is more or less going to be in this more vertical format like you would use for Facebook and YouTube Shorts and stuff. But I did the video for a little while there, and it does a good job. It gives you a new perspective. This is just a little bit of the video footage from the live tonight. So if you want to see the whole thing, you can go over to the Facebook page and watch it. But you can transition back and forth between the glasses and the phone. There is a delay when you swap it over. I did find that out. But all in all, I think it's going to be a valuable tool for sharing the video with you guys. And there it goes right there, swapping it over. And you can see there's it's going to add a different perspective. So I'm probably going to use these in a lot of like assemblies or maybe some project videos just to grab a little bit of footage of kind of a bird's eye view of what I'm seeing. So there you go, guys. Go check out that video if you want to see more. And like I said, they also have the feature of I can just use them in the shop, hit the record button, get a 60-second clip of video of whatever it is I'm doing, and kind of incorporate that into some of my long form videos. Now, it is going to be in the Reels, the more vertical platform, but I'm thinking maybe on the back end I could edit it and get it to look okay. So we're going to try that out, but that's coming soon to the Clack Shack. I plan on incorporating it into all the stuff that I do. And I wear safety glasses and sunglasses a lot, so I went ahead and sprung for the transition lenses, which allows me to have clear when I'm indoors and shaded when I'm outside. So I think that was cool. I wanted to be able to use them indoors or outdoors, and so by getting the transitions, I get basically 2 pair of glasses in one for the $99 upcharge that I had to pay. But yeah, I did buy these guys. I know I get a lot of goodies around here without purchasing, but this was something that I wanted, and I wanted to try it out here at the channel to try to give you a little bit more, like I said, a little more of an immersive experience in the videos. So drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you think maybe just a couple of 30-second clips here and there will work, or you just want to play it by ear and let's see how it plays out. But if you do want to see the lives, if you do want to see more content with the glasses, by all means, go over to the Facebook page, hit that follow button. If you're not into Facebook, maybe you have Instagram, you can try it there. I'm going to try to go with both of those platforms in the future, but I've got to familiarize myself with the app because I think there is a way you can stream to both at the same time, but I'm a total noob to that because I usually use a streaming application. So, but Coming soon to a Clack Shack near you. And if you're interested in them, guys, I will, as always, drop a link down below to Amazon where you can check those out. But like I said, so far they have lived up to the expectations of the audio quality. They look like regular glasses. I mean, I don't know that there's that much of a difference. And I will say this: they're actually really, really clear. I almost think I almost think I can see better through them than I can without them. And Brandy would probably say that's because I need glasses. But anyway, guys, the newest gadget coming soon to the videos. So let me know what you think. Like I said, there will be a link in the description down below if you want to check them out for yourself. Yeah, I'm a geek. I love technology. What can I say, guys? That's what got me into YouTube. So, but anyway, guys, be safe and have a good day.